Here are some simple plant care tips in English. 1. Right light. Place plants where they get proper sunlight according to their type, indoor or outdoor. 2. Watering. Water regularly but avoid overwatering. Check soil moisture before watering. 3. Soil quality. Use well draining, nutrient-rich soil for healthy growth. 4. Fertilizer. Feed plants with organic compost or fertilizer every few weeks. 5. Pruning. Remove dead or yellow leaves to encourage new growth. 6. Pest control. Check for insects and use natural remedies like neem oil. 7. Pot size. Repot plants when roots outgrow the container. 8. Air circulation. Keep plants in airy places to prevent fungal growth. 9. Humidity. Mist leaves of indoor plants if the air is too dry. 10. Observation. Regularly observe your plants for any changes in color, leaves, or growth. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for more info, tips, and tricks about planting and gardening.